Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Sakshi Singhania and I create videos on skincare, beauty, lifestyle and fashion. And as you all must have read, I am going to review YouTubers owned brand. Honestly, I am a person who watches YouTube over Netflix. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा YouTube देखती हूँ. It's so creepy after a point of time that even when I want to sleep, sometimes I just play some random video on YouTube in the background and I'm just there. So yeah, I love YouTube and I have been watching these creators especially from a very long time. So obviously जब उन्होंने खुद का brand launch किया था, I was very curious and excited to use them. In fact, most of my COVID has gone watching the videos of these creators. So all these creators today are like OG YouTubers. I'm going to review Sara Sarosh, Anam, Mridul Sharma, Jovita. बहुत पहले से उनका channel है and these are like OG content creators. And yeah, I'm very excited. I just want to mention that I know there is a lot of effort that goes into launching their own brand. Like being a content creator for full time and then having your own business, it's a huge deal. Like there's a lot that happens on the back end. So yeah, hats off to you and I'm really excited for this video. So let's get started. Also, I'm going to be brutally honest with all my reviews because like I said, मैंने ये products काफ़ी time तक use किया है. There are products that I've used for 1 or 2 years, then there are products that I have used for 6 months. So obviously I have an opinion on them. So I want to start with my favorite content creator, Anam. In fact, she is the first content creator who I started following and I started watching. I just love watching her because she is so raw and real in all of her videos, and she has a brand called Verified. This is the spelling of her brand and this is the package that I got. I also met her in Mumbai. She had a meet and greet and a launch of her new product called Step Zero. So I met her and you won't believe she is exactly the same like how she is in all of her videos. She's so sweet and so nice. Like I can just go on and on about her. The way she's raw and real about every single thing on her channel is amazing. So Anam, if you're watching this, you might remember who I am. You have included me in one of your vlogs as well because we had met in the meet and greet in Olive Garden. So yeah, I'm the same person. And yeah, so talking about a brand, she has a brand called Verified. Now Verified, the name is coming from her channel's name. So her channel was named as What, When, Where. So now she has named her brand as Verified, which also means like, you know, verified and it's like approved from Anam. So I have quite a few things from her brand and मैंने उनके काफ़ी सारे products try किए हैं. So starting with the first one are her bullet lipsticks. Now this was the first launch of the brand Verified and I love that she has put so much thought and so much efforts into this brand. She had been working for quite some time. In fact, all of these YouTubers. So by the packaging you know that I have used quite a bit because ये black ये यूज करते करते ऐसा हो गया है, बट इट डज नॉट लुक लाइक दिस फॉर द न्यू पैकेज्ड लिपस्टिक्स. इट लुक्स लाइक पूरा गोल्डन कलर एंड द पैकेजिंग इज वेरी लग्जूरियस. इन फैक्ट आई शो यू द लोगो. इसका लोगो भी जा चुका है. सो दैट्स हाउ मच आई हैव यूज्ड इट. नाउ दिस इज द ब्रांड लोगो एंड इट इज लाइक हार्ट एंड ऑल्सो इट looks like W, so verified. So yeah, so much thought. Now coming to these bullet lipsticks, like I said, these were first launches and I have multiple shades here. So the first shade is Shabbo. Like she has put so much thought in the name. I just love that. This is her mom's name and it's her mom's favorite color, so that's why she's named as Shabbo. And this is what I'm wearing right now. It's a very nice brownish nude lipstick which also has an orange tint towards it, and honestly this is a go-to lipstick for my office wear. This is always there in my purse, which is why you see the condition of this lipstick is so bad. And even if I show you, I have used quite a bit of this lipstick. ये आधे से भी कम बचा है. But I just love this. Is like a perfect nude for medium skin tones. In fact, आप अगर fair side में हो या फिर if you are duskier than what my skin tone is, this will still look good on you. all her lipsticks are perfect for Indian skin tones. They suit all of them really well. So this is one of their bestsellers as well. Now what I love about all of their bullet lipsticks is that it is buttery soft. When she mentioned in her website, she really meant it. These bullet lipsticks, they last you for a very long time. Plus they are buttery soft. It does not feel drying at all. It is matte, but it does not feel dry. So you know what I mean. So she has nailed the formulation here, and I have multiple shades in this. So one was this Chabot, then I have the shade Monday. Now there is a slight problem with this shade in particular. I don't know why. I had even texted her about this, like through the customer service support that she has obviously, and she was very much willing to take this product back and give me a new product. Now the problem with this one is that, do you see, like it's very like ये निकल नहीं रहा है बिल्कुल भी. So this is not smooth. Also this lipstick in particular, like the shade Monday, I am not sure if this is the same with all her Monday lipsticks, but this shade in particular is a little drying than the other shades. I don't know why. And if I have to describe this shade, like Anam rightly mentioned in her videos as well, Monday is like a perfect mixture of a brown nude and a pink nude. So it's like a baby of a brown and the pink nude, and I love this shade as well. But sometimes it washes me out, so I prefer Chabot over Monday like any day. Also because I mentioned कि इसमें थोड़ा fault है, it does not really glide on my lips very smoothly, so I am not really using this shade at all. Then the third shade I have is Jerry Berry, and the fourth one is Latella. Now both these shades are with my mom, so I do not have it right now with me, but I'll definitely include the swatch in this video. Jerry Berry is a nice maroonish shade and my mom totally loves it. Now this shade is Jerry Berry because Jerry is her husband's name and it has that berry tone as well. So this shade, in fact, my mom, my masi and one of my other aunts, they all love this shade in particular because it's a very dark shade, so I don't prefer using it, but my mom totally loves it. And the fourth one is Latella. It's a very nice brown lipstick. It has a very warm undertone to it and it's cool as well, so it's somewhere in between, but it looks really good on my mom. And Latella, the name is because she loves having lace plus Nutella, so you know, she has mixed the name, and I love that she has put so much thought into naming these lipsticks. Now coming to the price, the MRP of these lipsticks are 800 rupees, which I will definitely say is not super affordable, but it is not very expensive as well, and I think she's kept this price because of the quality that she gives. The quality of these lipsticks are top notch. You will not have any lip pigmentation or any dryness after you put these lipsticks, and even while you're removing these lipsticks, it will come off very nicely. So definitely not very affordable. Maybe could have priced a little lower, but yeah, of course the quality might have been the concern. But yeah, she also has a lot of offers going on most of the time, so you can buy these lipsticks and check them out for yourself. Later, she had also launched liquid lipsticks, and this is what the packaging looks like. It is called Lip Frosting Matte Liquid Lipstick, and I have the shade Pink Hot Cocoa. Obviously, don't mind the packaging because I have torn it, and this is how the original packaging looks like. Because the name is lip frosting, so this has like a frosted packaging, and it again feels very luxurious. Packaging to 10 on 10 hai. Now coming to this liquid lipstick, it is priced at 999, which is 1000 rupees. Again, definitely expensive, not affordable, but this shade in particular, Pink Hot Cocoa, it is so good. It looks really good on warm skin tones. I'm not sure about people with cool undertones, I'm not really sure about that, but for warmer skin tones this will look really nice. Even if you are like fair, medium or on the duskier side, this shade looks amazing. Also it feels very feather light. Like other liquid lipsticks, if it is a matte liquid lipsticks, आपके lips crack होने लगते हैं and then it feels very drying, but with this you will not have to worry about that. And I love that it stays on for a very long time. But you know, obviously if you will eat oily food तो वो थोड़ा थोड़ा निकलने लगता है. But yeah, otherwise the quality and the shade is 10 on 10. Apart from this pink hot cocoa shade, I also have cherry cheesecake in this liquid matte lipstick that is again with my mom, but I'm including the swatch here. I generally wear nude lipsticks only, that is why I gave it to my mom. In fact, I had bought it for her only. But if you are into pink shades, or you know, bright pink, very nice pink with a warm undertone, you should definitely try that. It looks very flattering on my mom. Even if you are not somebody who wear bright lipsticks, you can get that for your mom. The next thing that she had launched is a hydrating lip oil. Now this lip oil is stunning. It's what I am wearing right now on my lipstick. This is very hydrating. You can use this as lip balm, like you can just wear this on its own, and you can also top your lipsticks up with this. I try not to do it because मेरे सारे other lip glosses का भी same हाल हो चुका है. उनको lipsticks के ऊपर लगा के मैंने अंदर की पूरी liquid वो lipstick के कलर में turn हो रही है. So I'm trying to avoid that with this one. When I use it very carefully because I love this lip oil. Again, थोड़ा expensive है, but the quality is amazing. So Anam, I am loving your lip oils. Also, I love the applicator. The applicator is very nice, and even while you are applying it, तो ये जो ऐसे थोड़ा tilted है, slanted है, it really helps in applying it on your lips properly. Same with their matte liquid lipsticks as well. So that was it for Verified. Lekin I have two more products. This is their blush that they have launched. It is in the shade Cashmere Rose and Cinnabar, and both of these are bestsellers, but I don't want to review it right now. I have bought this like some 20 to 25 days back, and I want to take some more time to, you know, have an opinion on them and review it. So I'll keep this for part 2. So out of this brand, I would suggest, if you're into dark shades, definitely purchase Jerry Berry and the Cherry Cheesecake. But if you're into nude shades, you should definitely try out the pink hot cocoa and the shampoo. So the next creator is Mridul Sharma. I'm sure we all know her. She is an amazing creator, and she has got not one but two brands. She has Simba Lifestyle, which has more of stationery, planners, journals and stuff like that. And then she has Skion Apparels, where she has some clothing items. So I have tried their Simba Lifestyle brand, and I have two planners from her brand. One is the 2023 planner, and then I also have 2024 planner, and I have already reviewed this planner in detail in one of my videos. I'll link that in the description box below. But to give you a brief, this planner is amazing. I have seen a lot of planners, and I was also very confused in which planner do I get for 2024, and I think I made the right choice because first of all, her planner is of really good quality, and then the price. This planner is just for 1200 rupees, and with this planner she also gives some stickers and a small notepad, and then there is this planner, of course. But 1200 is something that I purchased on, but then she was also offering the same planner for 1000 rupees. And trust me guys, I had seen a lot of planners. In fact, I was watching Alicia, then there were lot other brands. You know that a lot of brands are creating planners these days, but the amount of effort that she puts in her planners and the price that she is selling all these planners are at, just amazing. The quality of pages, the thought behind every month, the art that she has done, and in fact the cover page as well. This is all hand painted guys, and it's just amazing because it's like the perfect balanced planner where she is also giving some monthly prompts, and then she has given enough space for you to do the daily planning. Then she has vision board as well, like you can see this is my vision board. Then she has like this space every month. Then she also has expense tracker, habit tracker, workout tracker, and the art that she puts in every month, and the quote that she gives in every month. So for the month of May, the quote is applying happy serum only, and then there are sunflowers on the first page of the month. So it's just amazing. Also, I would like to say every year her planner game is just ऊपर ही जा रहा है, because look at this is 2023 planner and this is 2024 planner, and then I think this is her 5th planner, and इनके पहले भी obviously 4 और रह चुके हैं. But look at the cover, it is so beautiful, and for the price point, for the quality of pages that she gives, because even if you're using highlighters and stuff like that, तो वो आपके उसी पेज तक रहेगा. It's not like it's going to stain the other pages. Then there is brain dump, there are worry jars, then there is some games at the end which is not really necessary to give, but then इतने से में उन्होंने सब कुछ, she has like planned everything really well. So I just love this planner. And let's see next year मैं कौन सा खरीदती हूँ. But yeah, she has journal as well, which I have not tried because I don't really journal. But if you are into that, you can definitely try that as well. She has a 5-year journal. I will link it here as well, and I will put all of these links in the description box below. But Mridul, if you're watching this, then I just love your planners and the content you create, and also many congratulations. You've recently gotten married and your wedding was beautiful. Have watched all your videos. It was just amazing and I am really very happy for you. And that's it for today's video. I think it was quite a long video and मैं बहुत देर से बातें कर रही हूँ. But this is what my honest opinion is on all of these products and makeup and planner as well. Now let me know if you would want me to do part 2 of this, because I am really enjoying this and I love trying new products. And especially when it comes to YouTubers, I wouldn't mind purchasing them and reviewing it for you all. And if this video was helpful at all, don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button, also the bell icon, so that you get notified every single time I upload a video. And drop in the comment section below if you have tried any of these products and if this was helpful at all. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.